how to convert Canva website to Shopify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to convert your Canva website, you're going to go over here in our Shopify and you're going to click on add apps. Over here, you're going to click on the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store basically is an app store where you will be able to see all kinds of apps dedicated to improving your Shopify experience. So over here, what you're going to search is Canva. Click on enter, and there will be apps over here that would allow you to create or convert our Canva website into our Shopify over here. And as you can see, it's called Canvify, and it's going to allow you to build Shopify landing pages with Canva simplicity. So as you can see, there will be our plans over here. It's going to cost you $10 per month. There is a free trial though, so you could try it out. If it's up to your liking, you could easily cancel it if you don't. So that's basically it, guys. So simply install this and create your Shopify page easily inside of Canva. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.